guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lady Lori, and what do I have for you today? That's right, we don't beat around the bush, we just get right to it. I mean, why not, right? Okay, so let's do this. We've been hanging on to this for quite a while. I'm late getting my boxes open, late doing my unboxings, late with everything. Me and Sassy do have our two IPSY Glam Bag X's. They came in yesterday, I believe. Yeah, they came in Saturday. So they both came the same day. Different delivery trucks, seriously. They did. One came like FedEx and the other one came regular mail. Anyway, it doesn't matter. That's not what we're opening. This is my paper box. This is the May 2022 my paper box. This is the grand box. This subscription is, I want to say this one's close to $35 or $32 a month. Don't worry about it. If for some reason I get any information incorrect, I always put it somewhere on the screen. So, oh, this one's not even open yet. I'll be darned. Usually I sneak in, and I always sneak into the boxes and kind of take a look at stuff. I've been under the weather lately, so I haven't had any energy, you guys, like just zero energy. I mean, I get up and I'm doing stuff, but it's just, I just sit back down. It's like I'm completely lazy ass. I mean, seriously. So, my apologies for those of you that are new and my language, but if you will go and check out my channel page, my homepage, the video that does come up is going to introduce you to my alter egos. She's one of them. Netflix. We call her lazy ass. Anyway, all right, you guys, let's get into this box. This one actually is pretty cool. This is the, it's supposed to be like, you know, horse racing and so forth and so on. Kind of looks like this, and because my box is personalized, it does come with my channel name on it. Welcome, Lady Lori. Thank you very much. How much I can do about it, I always tear it. Now this one does come with a catalog. They always do come with a catalog, but this one does have a lot of pages. There's a lot of information in here. When I first started getting this subscription, I thought, what a waste of paper, right? You know what I mean? And then I started reading them. And now I'm kind of like, wait a minute, you know, there's some pretty cool stuff in here. I mean, there's a lot of really cool ideas. There's game ideas, there's stuff for your kids, there's projects, things that I didn't know, you know what I mean? Like how to make a drink or how to plant. I don't know. You know what I mean? Just DIYs and stuff like that. All right. Run for the Roses. Like they all have my name on them. You're going to see all of them personalized with my name on it. These are really pretty. Look at this. This is the lined notepad. This is nice. These are jotter cards. You guys know what those are? Does anybody know what jotter cards are? See, this in here, it'll tell you what they are. I'm guessing they're just something that you jot things down. I don't know. The Talk Derby to Me and Hold Your Horses. There's two pencils. One is black and the other one is white. So I thought these would have my name on them, but they don't because they have that little saying on there. So they wouldn't. The rest of these, this one's Talk Derby to Me, and it is the lined with my personalized. No magnet, but you can easily do that. All you got to do is go to the Dollar Tree and get a sheet of magnets and then just stick them on here, and you can put them on any of your refrigerators, any magnetic surface. You can put them even out in your shop for your husband. Hold Your Horses. This one is not lined, but it's just a little smaller one. It's got my name on it. These are cute. These really are cute. Look at that. Of course, I'm starting to get a stash. Let me tell you something. I'm starting to get a lot. They're just stacking up. And then this is the card for May that I usually put over here up on my mirror, my vanity. And then it has the important dates every day of the year of the month for May. It'll let you know, like right now we're on what, the 15th? So today is Chocolate Chip Day, Police Officers Memorial Day. And then Friday was the 13th. Did you guys know that? I didn't know it. Tomorrow is Love a Tree Day. Wear purple for Peace Day. Okay, you guys? Pack Rat Day. Oh my goodness. There you go. The 17th. There you go. All right. Next one is, there's a couple of cards in here. Just one. Talk Derby to Me. This is just a card. Let's see if it has anything written inside. Nope, it's blank. It's a blank card you can send to somebody. These are mini greeting cards. You're a winner in my book. So these are just little greeting cards. See that? Little mini greeting cards. And we got some stickers. A couple sheets of stickers. I don't know why I held it up there so long. I didn't expect you guys to sit there and zoom in and try to read them. But it says, hold your horses. And then there's, let's get down in Derby. Talk Derby to me. You're the mint to my julep. You can bet on it. You're a winner in my book. And then it says, break out the mint juleps and the big hats. It's time for the races. So those are these stickers on here. So that's it, you guys, for my May paper box. This is, I know there's a lot of stuff in this box this month. That's the one for May, you guys. That's the my paper box for May. This is a lot of stuff they gave us. What'd you think? I mean, seriously, what did you guys think? I know this is a totally different type of subscription that I'm getting and that I'm showing you guys here on my channel. But sometimes I need that break from all the makeup, all the skincare. You know what I mean? Sometimes you need that break from the same thing, or the boxes that kind of piss you off. You know, like when BOXYCHARM gave us all that garbage last month, and you're not happy, and it happens month after month, and your things just aren't going the way you want them to, and then something like this pops up. You know what I mean? It really does. It just kind of breaks up all that monotony. It breaks up the monotony is what it does. Kind of levels you out a little bit. But let me know what you guys think about this month's theme. You know, we're off to the races. Especially me being a horse gal. Yeehaw! All right, you guys, leave me a comment down in the section below the description box, above the description box, anywhere. Just leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought of my paper box for May 2022. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Yeehaw! Oh, God. I will never, ever live that one down. I'll regret it for a long time. Bye, y'all.